Alright, this is a Kenmore 158-19141. It is the 1914. I think they have a 01 and maybe 2 version. It's a very nice machine. Fancy here. And it has a very complex threading path. So it's got 2 spools, so it does twin needle threading. It takes cams. It has a thread guide on the back here. And then to wind a bobbin, there's a pin on the top here, the bobbin winding button, and then a bumper here, and then the bobbin winding spindle, and it has a shift forward to engage, and the clutch on this machine is just a pop out. So you pop the clutch out, engage your bobbin, and then you can wind your bobbin with the thread running across the top like this. To thread this 158-19141, after winding the bobbin, the thread still goes under this hook under the back, and then it slips through the side here and across the front through this gap and comes through a gap here to this spring, and then it has to go back through that gap to the take-up arm, and then it goes through this gap, so it's through this thread guide 3 different times. And then there's 2 separate thread guides on the front here that match twin thread guides on the needle clamp, and the needle threads from front to back. And of course, because this machine supports twin needle sewing, there we go. If you're twin needle sewing, make sure that your threads stick with left thread, left guide, left needle, right guide, right needle.